I'm back, y'all. What's up, good rats? Today I got some KFC. I got the barbecue and the buffalo little snacker. I get this all the time. It's good. My girl just tried the Cheeto sandwich. Baby, tell them how you like the Cheeto sandwich. You want to be on camera? Tell them how you like the Cheeto sandwich. It was alright. It was pretty good. We out here North Dallas off of, went to the KFC off of, what street that is? Forest Lane? KFC off Forest Lane. But what's up? What y'all doing today, hood rats? Hey, I appreciate y'all for looking at my video yesterday. It ain't much, but shit, I got 82 views. So somebody loves me. Hopefully in the future, I'm gonna look at this and be like, look at me, I already started out with 80 something views. I'm gonna have millions. I had, out and about today, had a little appointment. You don't like it? I love this shit. But baby don't like the barbecue snacker. She just takes it like, ah. Buffalo is my favorite though. I love the buffalo. I had went to Subway and tried that chicken pesto ciabatta. I could have did a video on that. That was beautiful. So eventually I'm gonna buy another one.
And I like the way you had the black olives on there. I be forgetting to put black olives on my sandwich.
So I'm gonna eventually have to buy another one. Make a video. I had to do that first video, do a test run, and y'all motherfuckers really fucked with me. So it looked like this is something I'm gonna have to do. I made sure I put on the video. It is not kid friendly. I try to say it in every video. It's not kid friendly. I don't own the rights to this music in the background either. But I did do a lot of shit to live this lifestyle. I did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came from the bottom to the top. I don't know what you said right here.
Living life like a beginning, this is the beginning.
You must have to study that.
No. You can hear it.
And I usually understand on Young Thug, but I could not get him in this song.
Living like, hold on, what did he say? Living life like it's the beginning. It's only the beginning. Yeah. Come on.
I ain't eaten the buffalo one yet. This was just a little quick 1-2. So I'll be seeing y'all later on again today. I just had to come check in with my hood rats. Oh, watermelon, Arizona to drink.
Living life like a feeling, this only beginning.
R.I.P. Trey Gun. But every time I drink in Arizona, I cannot drink in Arizona without thinking about Trey Gun more. My boy had an Arizona to Skittles. And bro shot him and said he was dangerous. And ain't nobody killed George Zimmerman yet. R.I.P. my brother Benny. You know it's crazy when you be listening to songs from people from the same place you from, and they say R.I.P. to somebody that you knew, and you be like, "Darn, I didn't even know they knew."
Oh shit! I almost hit his ass.
He is huge.
You better get his ass out the way.
Oh damn!
Hey, don't tell me.
Oh, I went. I was trying to make sure you had enough room. I went go say his big ass tried to come switch this whole goddamn car. Look at. I really want to thank y'all for that feedback yesterday. Like, I'm really loving the way y'all responded. Fucking Gap. It's scary. He been working for a long time.
Give me another.
Oh, you can get me fish knuckle. Man, Rich Homie should have never chopped your thug off, bro. He would have still been on top and still making money. Rich Homie. And then when he went after that running, he had with Rollo. That shit really killed his career. I ain't gonna say killed his career, but that shit really killed down his hype. Cause he had made all them threats. He made all them threats to Rollo. Like, when I see you, I'ma do this, I'ma do this, I'ma do this. And then when he saw Rollo showed up with guns, he called the police on Rollo. That made his shit go. If Rich Homie was in the wrong, that boy sent you $4,000 to hop on the $6,000 to hop on the song, and you put his song out without him on it.
Oh, he was trying to cut though.
Yeah, and so
He got cut though.
Rollo's other shit like give my money back, and that's what Rich Homie got down. This, that.